Good morning, good morning. Hi, Teeny Boppers. Oh my goodness, it's another really rainy day, Teeny Boppers. But it doesn't mean that you can't have fun. Oh, Teeny Boppers, you can get your welly boots on and you can get your umbrellas and you can splash about in the puddles. Oh, Teeny Boppers, I have a song about our umbrella. Shall we sing it together? Today I need my umbrella to keep me nice and dry. Sometimes it's windy, it makes me want to fly. Open it, close it, oh what fun can it be? Splashing around in the puddles, my little umbrella and me. Teeny Boppers, you can have so much fun in the rain. It's lovely to get out in the fresh air and splash about in the puddles. Oh, Teeny Boppers, go and have some fun in the rain today. Put your welly boots on, get your raincoat on, and go and splash in the puddles, Teeny Boppers. Have a lovely day, and don't forget, we're on Zoom this week if you'd like to come and join us. Bye, Teeny Boppers.